What's going on, YouTube? Middle Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't think it's actually going to be little, probably not short either, because this box feels pretty heavy. And I think I know what's in here, but I'm usually wrong. So, well, as usual, we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me during this time. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some of those cool stickers, I do, of course, have a link down in the description. There are some other benefits, so check it out if you'd like, and the support would mean the world to me. Be using Kiefer's amazing F-150 scalpel. Oh, we got a card here. Okay, well, I'll just be careful getting into the package from now on. Unfortunately, the scalpel is not something you can pick up on my Amazon store because it was handmade and custom designed by Mr. Kiefer for myself. Thank you so much, Kiefer. All right. What do we have in here? I always instruct people to, oh boy, this, okay, now I know what's in here. Yes, wow. So this gentleman is from Kansas. So I'm unboxing this in my time on Friday. You guys are probably seeing it on Tuesday. He had just emailed me last night. I know what's in there. I know what's in there. Oh boy. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. And of course there is a note in here. That's wonderful. Makes it so easy to distinguish. Look at this, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff to unbox today. Okay. Let me take a look here real quick. He tells me what's in here. Okay, here's his Instagram. Let's see if I can get this on camera. At Addicted to EDC. So give him a follow, guys. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys this type of content. Thank you so much. I will look over that note. Absolutely. Let's see. Oh, now this is something outside of what you and I talked about. But hey, I'm always willing to look at something extra for sure. Oh wait, no. It's just in a crooked. Wait, is it? Hold on. What is this? Oh no, this is the PROTECH. Okay, so this is the TR3. Yes. So the TR3 is one of my favorite PROTECHs ever, and I think it's one of the most straightforward, utilitarian, automatic designs that has ever existed. Like many of these amazing models that I always describe, somehow in the almost 1,000 uploads that I've done, I have not reviewed this knife yet. So this is wonderful. 154 cm. Yeah. Oh, ooh. Typical PROTECH. If you've never handled a PROTECH, they kick hard. I love PROTECH side openers. I am a huge PROTECH fan. Absolutely. We're going to set this. We're going to move things out of the way so no scratches occur. Because, again, these are not my knives. So there's that one. You know, I really want to unbox this Tucson. So he had shown me this Tucson. He had a bunch of different Tucsons. And I said, actually, there's one in there that I'm really, really interested in that caught my eye. Just because of the design. Then when I wanted to go buy it, I couldn't find it. This is the initial problem with this. Oh, wow. This caught my eye because symmetrical flipper daggers were very God, that's smooth. Tucson, always impressive. This caught my eye because flipper symmetrical daggers were not something that you saw in the knife world a lot until after Rick Hinderer did the Maximus. And then after that, we started seeing them a little bit, and it came down to getting, being able to get the right type of leverage if you were going to go perfectly symmetrical. And that's what they accomplished here. This is really cool. This is a folding knife that it is a dagger, but it is not sharp on both sides. So it has the appearance, right? But it's really just sharp on the one side. This other side, I'm sure, could be sharpened pretty easily if you wanted to, but we're looking at titanium and D2. I just found this to be interesting. This is just a knife that looks really, really cool to me, and it happens to be made out of, D2 and titanium, so the materials that you can actually... A lot of times you see a knife like that, and you're like, yeah, that's 420J in plastic, right? Where you're looking for, like, the dragons and the fire and stuff like that. But because it's made out of titanium and D2, I thought I would really like to look at that. So next up here, what does this one say? Well, let's just go ahead and get into it. Oh, here we go. It came right off the bottom. Oh, this is the auto slim foot. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. So I've handled and reviewed the actual slim foot. Ooh, that's cool. This is one of these designs that was really just born to be an automatic. You know, I mean, it just makes sense. The profile and design and everything. This just works really, really well. The blue is awesome. Talk about an excellent user knife. Very, very beautiful. I love the combination of the come on now, camera. The combination of the really dark concrete and the satin finish on there. This is really nice. Wonderful. All right, we have two more PROTECHs. Which do I want to go with? Let's go with this one right here. Careful. A lot of boxes, a lot of pieces everywhere that I'm going to have to pick up later. All right. Yeah, I think this is the one that I want to go for next. We have 3 out. We got 2 more to unbox. Oh my gosh. So this is the SBR. Did you do the I'm going to guess that you did the dark tumbling on there yourself, because I've never seen a PROTECH like that. But in any case, this is a Les George design. And it's kind of a thicker, chunkier little auto, but the cool thing is it's in S35VN that you can see right there. Love the blue. Man, this is cool. It's like a mini Rockeye is what it reminds me of, or VECP. Very cool. That's an awesome little auto. And then last but certainly not least, I have never handled this knife before, and I am so excited. So excited to check this out. I cannot tell you guys how pumped I am about this. Oh, yes. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. This is the safety on or off? This is a PROTECH single action. Come on, camera. The camera is like, there's stuff behind you. Don't you care about the stuff behind you? Ah! That was so satisfying. Oh my gosh, PROTECH Dark Angel single action. So you push the button and then you pull the lever back down. And there's a safety there, so you can push the button all day. It doesn't do anything, but you take the safety off and bam! Man, the power that fires. That is so cool. In a lot of ways, this is mega ultra like tactical, this or that. But what I like about it is, whoops, if you get your finger in the way, that definitely won't work. You gotta hold it like this and then fire it. What I like about it is that it actually has an ergonomic design. It actually has a functional blade. It has a functional blade steel. I believe these are 154 cm. And in this case, we have this rose gold sort of coppery coating on the button, the charge lever, whatever you want to call that. And the blade. But yeah, it is absolutely a functional design, right? The disadvantage to a single action OTF being that you really do have to use 2. It might be super convenient to deploy it right then and there in the moment, but you are going to have to use 2 hands to disengage it. But man, that is so cool. I'm really going to enjoy playing with this little guy. Not little at all. This is a huge knife. But in any case, guys, that's going to be everything today. And thank you so much for sending these. And shout out to his name's Chris. Chris, I believe you're from Kansas, so that's pretty cool, buddy. No wonder this got here so quickly. In any case, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. This was awesome. All of these models are models I am really excited to take a look at. Hope you guys are excited too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.